Various measurement types for goals in AbleSpace. AbleSpace offers a wide range of data tracking options. Let's explore each one in detail. Go to the Caseload tab. Select the student and click on Take Data. This will open the data taking screen. Now click on Add Goal. A modal pops up with the goal types on left and its preview on right. The mid panel has the description and details of the goal. On the top left, we can add objectives to the goal. AbleSpace provides you a wide range of data tracking types to work with. Let's explore each one in detail. Let's begin with the accuracy data type. This is used for goals that require tracking the number of total correct and incorrect observations. For example, say we want to track the accuracy of a student spelling words. Click plus when student spells correctly, minus when incorrect, and P for prompt type given. This helps track the overall accuracy of students in the session. Let's move to our next data type, prompting levels. This is useful for goals that require you to measure prompting levels for a student or a multiple choice question. Say, the task is on the student's recognition ability on fruits. Unsure about how to frame the prompts? Just click on Choose Prompts and Generate with AI. Select the one matching your preferences. Enabling outcome tracking helps define the outcome as pass or fail on these prompts. We also have a feature, prompt fading, that allows you to track the active prompt and move forward or backward based on previous session's performance. Choose them to make your goal more defined. Our next data type is task analysis. This is used for goals that require a step-by-step completion of a task. Say, we want to track how a student washes hands. Using this, we can select the steps which were performed by the student. Task with prompts. This is for goals that require tracking of a task's steps, along with prompting levels. Say a student has to answer different questions of who, why, and what. Add tasks in rows and prompts in columns. This helps us track multiple related tasks with prompting levels. Next is rating scale. This is for goals that require measurements along a scale. Say we want to judge how well a student puts on the code. The data will be tracked based on the level of performance, which can be the prompt level on the scale. Needs full assistance, needs partial help, needs verbal cue, independent with error, independently dons code in the increasing order. Next is frequency data type. This data type is for goals which require a count of activity. For example, we want to count how many times a student tries to initiate a conversation. We would simply increase the number each time the student starts to communicate. The next data type is duration. This is used for goals that require a time measurement of an activity. Say we want to judge the task engagement of a student. We simply use this data tracking type and measure the time accordingly. Next is opportunity. This is for goals that require tracking the number of total, correct, and incorrect observations. Say, we want to measure the number of opportunities in which a student uses a communication strategy in order to request for help or get something. Anecdotal data type. This is for goals where quantitative data is difficult to collect and qualitative data is needed. Say, we want to analyze the behavior of students when moving from indoor to outdoor. It might be something that cannot be quantified. Instead, we would want to note some aspects down and keep them for reference. Next is custom data type. This data type is for goals that require tracking text, numbers, MCQs, and checkboxes in one place, with formulas in calculated fields. Let's create a custom goal for a student solving some puzzle. Let us create a number type field for total time taken to solve the puzzle. Another number field for storing the idle time. Let's add an MCQ type field to store if the student solved the puzzle or not. We can also insert a calculated field based on the above field. Say we are trying to know the total time, which is the addition of time taken to solve, and idle time. This automatically gets populated when entries are made for the fields above. The last data type is rubrics. This is used for goals that require measurements along a scale or score for multiple criteria. Let's create a goal to assess a student's drawing and coloring skills. We will add 2 criteria, one for drawing and another for coloring, each with multiple score points ranging from needs improvement to perfectly done. This helps track progress and measure how accurately and neatly the student completes each task. You can also choose to add objectives or short-term goals from here. Once you have added the requisite goals and objectives, you can click on the Save Goal button, and that's it. The goal is added to the student profile. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@ablespace.io.